Every fisherman knows. The faster you chill your catch, the better the quality and the longer the shelf life. Best practice is to get fish below 40 degrees as quickly as possible. Even brief temperature abuse reduces quality, shortens shelf life, and lowers the value of the catch. One of the best chilling methods available is slurry ice. Slurry chills fish faster and more evenly than traditional ice, but it has to be used correctly. Done right, it's one of the best tools out there. Done wrong, it can damage your product. What is slurry ice? It's a mix of seawater and ice, blended to a thick, pourable consistency like oatmeal. To make it, start with a watertight, insulated container. Add ice first, then seawater. The ratio should be roughly 2 parts ice to 1 part seawater. Starting heavier on the ice is important, knowing that it will melt as you add fish and they come down to temperature. Some fishermen add up to a cup of salt per container to reduce the temperature faster and lower the freezing point. Getting slurry right is both an art and a science. The goal is a mixture that suspends the fish evenly and has a thicker texture, cooling the fish quickly from all sides. The slurry should stay below 34 degrees. And remember, slurry is designed for rapid chilling, not long-term storage. Leaving fish in it too long can harm quality if it's not monitored. Whole fish can be stored for 24 to 48 hours, but gutted fish should only be in slurry for 2 to 4 hours, then stored on ice. Now let's look at common mistakes. Adding too much salt can make the mixture too cold, partially freezing the fish or leaving red marks or burns. On the other hand, if warm fish melt too much ice, the mixture can become too watery, and fish may soften and develop off odors. To keep slurry most effective, check the temperature every hour, especially when initially adding fish. Once all the heat has been removed from the fish, the temperature should stabilize near the freezing point. Add ice as needed to get the slurry to this point. Cover the container to maintain temperature. Using a thermometer is key to confirming the slurry temperature has stabilized and is keeping your fish cold but not frozen. With the right mix and a little attention, slurry ice is one of the fastest, most reliable ways to chill your catch and protect the quality and value of your product. For more information on how to maintain and improve fish quality, including a one-page summary of this video, visit the resource hub at gmri.org/quality.